let's discover the unpopular Benidorm streets. We are right next to Sandos Monaco Suites building, right next to the bar Titanic. Each time we go here, for some reason it is closed, and we always wanted to try out their breakfast. But each time we pass through this area, it's magically closed. I don't know why. We're going on regular hours, but we seem to never ever able to try it out. But we're still expecting, hopefully soon we will do so. Meanwhile, we can see it's open in the evenings. There's quite a bit of people here on the terrace. Ooh, they do serve pizza, margarita, pepperoni, tropical chili con carne. Oh, that's nice. Monday closed. Okay, we'll know it for the next time. Mondays are closed. English breakfast in this place. Big one I've seen. Large, €8. Small, $4.50. Veggie, $4.50. Main meals and snacks to take away. That's actually very nice. It looks quite a busy bar, honestly. Right here nearby, there's plenty of other businesses. This one's here, I think it is closed, or maybe it's just for holidays, but it does look like it's more or less shut down. What's not shut down are these typical 24-hour supermarkets. These are prospering for some reason, even though I never see so many people go in here. Never. But I guess it's because they're next to the hotels. Like here we have Vista Mar. These are like apartments, touristic apartments. Very nice one, also quite affordable ones, by the way. This is 2 keys apartments, if I'm not wrong. So plenty of people here are having a lovely day on the terrace. It's like a cafeteria space for people to sit down, grab some drinks. Quite a nice apartment building, honestly, and it's not the only one. There's a couple of buildings here that are touristic apartments with your reception, with everything that you need. Very nice place, and they have big terraces, and if you're lucky and it's a higher floor, you'll get spectacular views of Benidorm town. Here nearby, there's plenty of these types of touristic apartments, like whole buildings that actually are owned by companies that rent out these apartments for weeks or even months, up to 3 months, which is what tourist visa is, and slightly longer periods if it's for European Union citizens. Up to 6 months usually, because if not, then you're automatically, it's a long-term rental, and after 3 months you're like a resident in Spain. So plenty of these still. And by the way, the Rio Park hotel is also here nearby from the Met Playa Hotels group. Very lovely place, and honestly we did enjoy filming it the last times that we were here. And this was the only hotel where we lifted up the drone to actually film it for you, and I think it was looking quite spectacular. A lot of people enjoyed watching it, and even the hotel's management did like it. Hotel Caballo de Oro. This is actually a very cheaper option. It's quite an affordable hotel. It's nothing fancy, but it's a typical traditional Benidorm hotel, like an authentic hotel like from a decade ago. And this place is beloved by Spanish tourists mostly. The Rio Park is right there in front of us. This hotel is beloved by Spanish tourists, trust me. Those who are general national Spanish-speaking tourists love this place, obsessed with this place. Not sure why. Maybe because it's quite cheap. Maybe because the area is outside of like all the nightlife. Probably that is the case. But in general, people seem to love this hotel quite a lot. And it seems to be quite busy in summer. Summer bars here, special offer on breakfast. €3 a regular breakfast. That's quite cheap. Hey, that's actually quite cheap. Special offer, 6 bottles, €10. Good. Menu, sandwiches, toasties, hot baguettes, main meals. That's not bad. It's actually not bad. It has a lovely terrace right there. Quite a big one with natural shade. People love it and appreciate it when it's really hot outside. Slowly but surely, we're heading towards the direction of Levante Beach. Actually, if you go straight, without even crossing, without going left or right, straight road down, you will end up on the Levante Beach. You don't even need to turn anywhere. This is the straight road. In front, we have the Ibiza Street, then we have the Lepanto, the Gerona Street, crossing all this avenue and Mediterranean Avenue, and then finally the Levante Beach. Here nearby, there's also plenty of more places to have meals. Wooky Hollow too, we filmed it. We love this place. We would absolutely return here if it would be tourists. Definitely. Love, love, love. Very nice breakfast. And here you can see the prices. They have Oaks special, by the way. A lot of snacks. It's just a lovely place. We've enjoyed their breakfast so much. And my husband had like a chicken curry. I know it has a different name, but they called it chicken curry, so that's how we repeated it. So that's what it is. Oh, oh, they're saying hi. I guess they remembered us. Honestly, I know some people were here, and some people who do videos as well were here, and they did like not a very nice video about the place simply because they do not like the way of cooking things. For example, for the eggs, like in the typical English breakfast, some people like it like almost raw. Others do like it really, really well cooked so that the egg yolk will be just the tiniest bit liquid. Everyone has their own preferences, but we wanted to test it out, but we're really, really curious if it was actually true or not, because a lot of you guys have recommended us this place. So we thought it's not possible it would be that bad. And when we went there, we were actually really, really surprised. Very lovely place, very friendly staff, and very good food, and quite affordable. There you go, all of it. They have all of it. No fancy decoration, but it's not necessary. Usually the best places are like this, genuine and authentic. Typical, it's like a mixed Spanish international place here. So, typical bars that try to attract both Spanish clientele and international ones. Oh, these colorful magnets. Yay. Different types of toys here. Look at these are not labubus. These are like lafufus, they're called. And then on the bottom, you could have seen these strange animals. I don't get it. What are these? I know what labubus are, but what are these strange animals that's half cactus, half elephant? What are these things? I don't know what these are. We're getting old, or what's going on? All these trends happening, and we have no idea what this is. They just started to appear all of a sudden, honestly. Voices, karaoke here nearby every day from 3 p.m. Look at that. Karaoke, fabulous sound system, nice air conditioning room inside. That's actually good, especially in summer. That's really much appreciated. They have nice terrace here if you want some shade. There's umbrellas. But I do see some people here every now and then, but it doesn't look that overcrowded and busy as other bars might be. Although today, yeah, it looks slightly more alive than what it previously was. Let us know if you've tried this karaoke place, or as a bar in general, if you've tried any of these places and you could or could not recommend it for other fellow travelers. Write your comments down below. As usual, you know that this channel is not for us, it is for you guys. It is a reference for all the information tourism-wise and holidays-wise in Benidorm and Costa Blanca, Spain in general. So if you have something to share it here on the channel, because I guess other fellow travelers would appreciate it. Ooh, these are some nice pictures they've put out here. Cool Old Sports Pub. Some nice pictures and nice pricing. Isn't too much. It isn't too much. It's not too expensive. Dave's Chippy. That's another chippy place. 7 days a week. Eat in or takeaway. Homemade chicken curry, rice or chips 8. Half chicken and chips, salad or drink 10. 2 fish cakes, homemade chips, mushy peas 8.50. Okay, all right. We've never seen this place before. I'm sure it's not new, by the way, but we've just never put our attention on it as per se. Some steak houses here on the right side. Another curry house. There's quite a bit of curry houses and grill. This is a mix. It's a curry house and a grill place. That's interesting. Indian restaurant right next to the tattoo shop. Oh, people are saying hello. Right next to it. People are friendly. People are actually friendly. We really want to review an Indian or like Nepali, in general, like this type of cuisine, like curries, tikka masala, things like these, like rices, naan bread. We really want to review it for you guys. Let us know which one would be your preferred one in Benidorm. Maybe we should do a series of videos trying Indian restaurants. I'm not sure. We have so many ideas. Let us know what you think here in the comments, so that we would know what should we do next. We have many videos planned, but just as a general idea, which Indian restaurant should we start from? Which one is the most famous one to actually go and test it out for you guys? I would be interested in doing so. We're right next to the Hotel Pearl. Here nearby, it's already international tourism zone. This is already right next to the British Street. This is already like all the pubs area, different types of nightclubs and international hotels for mostly British tourists and international tourists in general. Quite a lot of people here. Those who are walking mostly are here on holidays, and we're right next to the Marina Resort. They revamped themselves very, very, very a lot. Revamped completely. This was like a typical hotel. They've shifted so much, like 180 degrees. They've revamped. They've put some colors, mostly orange, into it. And right now it's more targeting towards like couples and friend groups, and there's stag parties and hen dos. They do giant foam parties and fiestas here, and like all the parties are insane in this place. This also holds the Benidorm Pride foam party. This year they also did the same thing, and quite a bit of groups were staying out here too. Oh, what in the world? Why is that busy? Oh, wow. Andy's simply the best. Always busy, not surprised. This is a great place for drinks. Honestly, quite a lot of people are coming here for some drinks and snacks. It's a very nice place to be. It's a lovely place to be. My goodness. It is a very nice place to be, and people love it. It's friendly staff. It's a nice atmosphere. It's a small bar, but they have a huge, giant, humongous terrace. And honestly, people just love it. Right in front, we have Planet Benidorm, also a great place to be. We loved their Sunday lunch, Sunday roast, Sunday meal, typical Sunday meal, traditional meal. I'm sure you know what I talk about. This was delicious out here. The meat was melting, the beef. Oh, it was one of the best ones we've tried ever. I would return here for a Sunday meal, honestly. If I would not be living here, I would go here every single Sunday and grab a Sunday meal. Ooh, this is a very nice thing. Really, really like this place. It should be fuller because the service is great and the food is incredible. And prices are all right too. I don't get why it's not busier than what it is. Greenies. Is this the same Greenies that's in Rincon de Village? Not too sure, but I don't think so. Maybe it's just coincidence of the name. But it's a very lovely place. It's a karaoke, homemade food. It's a very nice place. They have TV screens here for all the sports. Overall, a lovely, lovely place to be as well. And people know it. People who've been coming here for quite a while. You know, at the end, you get your favorite bars. You get your favorite spots in the city. And each time when you come here, people just don't even want to discover anything else. They just go to their beloved places. They know the staff already. They might even see people who they knew previously. And this is just like the essence. People feel here like home because they visit places they know already. They know that they're going to be good. The service is going to be good. And the food or the drinks will be as they want it to be. Lovely, lovely place. Let us know which are your favorite spots in Benidorm town. Plenty of people here on the Mediterranean Street as well, right next to the M23. Always thought why the name, but then I seen that it's Mediterranean Avenue number 23. So that's where the name comes probably, M23. But still, it's quite interesting. Plenty of people here enjoying a lovely evening in Benidorm town. Thank you for accompanying us today. You'll see this video on Monday morning, followed by the news update. Don't miss it. We'll see you there. Goodbye.